Alright, we got the chopper hat, we got that chopper bucks. Alright, we are trying to manifest the chopper energy. I've seen people with chopper hats, I really wish I had a chopper hat, but we don't got one.
3 hits, what does that feel like? Feels like manga?
We're gonna start with this one. We still have our to-go baby scissors, so we're alright. Alright, let's go. Ready? Ooh, Laboon's so cute. Mountain God. Oh, this Yamato's so good.
Yamato.
I wanna live!
Sanji and Finger Pistol.
I got Scratchman. Scratchman. Hey, no hits on the first pack.
What side was that? Left side or right side?
Mine was the first one on the left. I'm gonna keep going on the left side.
I am going either way.
Confirmed. Jed is a switch. Stupid. Oh, we're just going. Von Creed, Mountain God again.
Mini Mary.
Laboon, Hamlet. Oh, we got a Hannibal.
Bueno, I want to live.
Hey, we got the Bueno.
Pooh and T-Bone.
$7 Kevin.
You got the Gaunt Clay already? Oh my god. Let me see the Gaunt Clay. Let me see. This is it. The purple staple. Von Clay pulled by DAJ. Von Kude. Alright, we're going to third pack on the left side. This guy, what the heck? Domo? Oh, Whitebeard out. More Whitebeard pirates, huh? 1-3?
I got a leader pack.
Did someone say comment? I am God. This is I am God. It's funny. Miss Monday. We got Prince.
I might use this.
Impel down.
I might try this.
And we got Kid Killer. Let's go. And we got Kingdom Come. That's where I go. Okay. Yeah, it's just if you have one life, you just kill something. It's crazy. All right, we're on the third pack on the left. 4 tricks. We got Blue Animal Kingdom Pirates. That's great. Log Town. Yo, a 2 for draw 2? Oh, and one other.
Miss Wednesday.
Ooh, Miss Wednesday. That's pretty good. It's pretty good for. Ooh, we got Oh Come My Way. Oh Come Away. Nice. Army Wolves 5/7. Cool. We got another Blue Eno. Let's go. Yamato. Blue Eno. And hey, we got Laboon. We're just opening. I don't want to do anything crazy in public. We're trying to get that chopper energy with the chopper hat. Alright, this is the fourth? This is the fourth one on the left side? Ooh, we got the Mini Mary.
Oh, you
that's
got a
cute.
Clay, nice.
Mountain God. You got Bon Clay? Let's go. It's fine. I'm gonna get the chopper, guys. I'm getting the chopper. That's what happened.
I'll trade you the chopper if you get the alt.
Shut up and come with us. Come on, chopper. Get over here.
I have the green.
You got Off-White
I have
and
one, I think.
Sanji. No Dawn in the set. That's crazy. This isn't a real set.
Brocus, Lot,
4 tricks.
Bueno, Yama,
Domo. Koza.
Army Wolf,
Bingho.
Altar Dazzle.
Ooh, yo, let me look at that. Yo, Mr. Victor pulled the alt art Daz Bones. Daz hot.
Left side.
Daz hot. Daz Bones. Yo, that is pretty cool. Look at that.
Dale.
Alright, so continue with this. We got nothing. We got Odin. We got Scratchman and Pooh and Edward Reef will draw 1 card. Nice. Yo, this go crazy in the Doflamingo deck. Still on the left side. Hamlet, Laboon, Gastino, Mini Mary, Charlie. Shut up and come with us. Come on, Chopper. Where you at? Where's the Chopper? I need to get a hit right now. This is a hit right here. We're getting a hit. Bam. It's a Brook. That's still a hit, though. That Brook's a hit. This Ezo's pretty nice.
But I haven't seen one of those yet. I haven't gotten one yet.
Brook, I think Brook is one of those staples for these black decks, too. Not like a 4 of, but give up to one of your opponents -1. Then KO one of your parents with a cost of 0. That's pretty good. It's a 3 cost. Oh, that is a good KOing option, actually. I do like that. We got Logtown, Mr.
Another
9,
leader pack.
Mountain God, Mini Chihuahua,
Khalifa and Dazzle.
Koza. We got Brook. Before and after. If we don't get anything, I'm going to look at both the Brooks. We got Gonfall blocker if your opponent has 1 or less cards. Oh, we got Khalifa. Alright, let's look at the double Brooks though. before and after. Let's go.
Crocus, Lima Chihuahua, Doma, Hamlet, Bingo. Sorry, I'm a
Victor's the only one who's gotten all
Straight down the left side, I'm alternating.
Yeah.
Fingerprint.
So all the hits are on the bottom? Is that
Chopper!
what? What? No! Hey, Chopper! Is that the normal one?
I think so.
Let me see. This is the normal hit?
Albert's the one with the tree.
Oh, there you go. There's your.
This is for the Gavino, Mr. Gavino, Miss Wednesday, doing the peacock dance?
Oh, I got the
Oh, you got one too?
super chopper.
Oh, 3.
Let's
Open
go.
your next pack, Jareen. There's another chopper. 3 in a row. 1,
3
2,
chopper?
3.
Oh yeah. So we got 2 choppers. We got Victor, and then Jed got chopper. Let's see if I get a
AJ
chopper.
got one too.
This is the manga right here, though, guys. Don't worry about it. Don't feel bad. Don't feel bad. Don't feel bad. Don't feel bad. Don't worry about
I
it.
know what you got.
We got the chopper.
You got somebody else.
We got the chopper. No way. You telling me there's a red back here? You telling me there's a red back? Don't. You guys are just you fake me out. We got Hiyori, and we got. Oh, we got an alt-art Kozuki Oden. Very nice.
The one that Ron needs.
Stop trying to look at the fucking backs of our pack.
We got a leader, dude.
I'm just scoping it.
It's pretty nice. Pretty nice. Yo, let me check it. Oh, yo, this is a staple, dude. Ooh. AJ just pulled the alt-art Kid and Killer. Look at that.
We got 2 Alberts.
Lampe. What the fuck? Look at this pack.
What, dude? Look at this. Let me see.
Fucking back to back.
Yo, we got AJ just pulled the alt, and then Victor just pulled the double flampe. Victor, the yellow guy right here, is playing yellow, so he got the flampes.
Fucking want those.
Very nice. Look at all these alts, dude.
Oh fuck, nice. $30. Dump it. Dump it.
Yeah, that's actually pretty fire. With the background, too. Let me see. I'm just gonna put all the alt arts on the... Yo, dude! Fire. Yo, we got Zoro in the back. Oh, God. These alt arts, dude, are so nice.
No, not guaranteed for.
One Piece card quality is the best.
There's a chance
cannot
you're
tell me. You cannot tell me otherwise.
Hirohoshi and Sanjay.
Art quality, holo quality, the thickness of the cards, so good. Extra thick. All right, we got Gastino. We got Mount God.
Oh, shit.
Compote. We got Funk Fried,
How many ults have you gotten?
Mini
3?
Mary, Yamato.
That's 2?
Sham-
And the secret?
Chambers? That's how you spell Chambers? This is how you spell
Yeah,
Shambles?
there's a chance, that's it. But
I
there's
always
a
thought it was
chance
an
you get
L.
4 hits. The secret counts as
Oka
hits.
my way, couldn't spell it. We got Bueno.
2
And we got
packs
Bueno. And we
left.
got
Finish
Yo
the regular
Miss
Cavendish.
Wednesday.
Nice little pack. Let's go.
You got Cavendish?
I got a Cavendish and
The green one?
Kid and Killer, yeah.
Yo, let me look at that Cavendish. Look at this Cavendish. This is one of those good supernovas that are bringing supernovas back on the
You
map.
guys are done already?
Let's go. Yo, I'm not even done with the left side.
Dude, I just finished the left side.
This is my last.
Hirohoshi,
This
nice.
is my last on the left side. Is that an SR?
Yeah.
Let me see. We got a Shirahoshi
I'll trade.
from
I'll trade for
Jed,
other
Mr.
stuff.
Jed over here.
Reveal.
Nice. There you go.
I'll trade for maybe your chopper.
If anyone has a viola or a chopper, I'll trade.
We got Mr. 9. Love the number 9. Poor guy just got nuked. Mr. 9. Gastino. Koza. Young Koza. I wanna live. Shut up and come with us,
Oh, I'll
Chopper.
take
Where you
that
at?
too.
Sorry.
Let him get
I'm a
my
goner. Oh man, Logtown. We got Finger Pistol. Look at that stance. That is a stance for sure. And we got Little
Oh, look,
Oars.
this on-
Ooh, that was the last pack. This is the second to last pack on the left side. Alright, we got Hamlet, Mini Mary. We got Bingo. Bingo? That guy.
Leader pack.
Doma.
goddamn.
Sorry, I'm a goner.
That's one of
Shut
blue and
will come my way. I want to live. Shambles. We got Scarlet.
I only need yellow.
Hey, we got Inazuma. Raiden Shogun Inazuma. No, I'm just kidding. I love how every art of Inazuma is just a different body type. Pretty cool. The people from Okama Land. All right, we're starting on the right side. We got Doma.
Downfall
We
and
got
Evil,
Stino.
God damn it.
We got Koza. We
Am
got
I done? No
Lockdown.
way my box only has 2.
Caracas. Kami.
I got 3 hits.
No way, I only get 2. Rip in the chat.
Edward Weevil and Scarlet again. Is that Dressrosa, right? Yeah.
Little orange.
Well, it looks like we got another leader. We're gonna speed through this pack.
I would like to feel the
I'll wait until you fully use the rest.
Kozuki Odin. We got a Genfall
Oh, there's
and an
my
Ezo.
secret. My box is done.
Ooh, your box is done.
Everybody got a 40 die.
I got 1 alt leader so far, so it looks like we should have 2 more hits on the
all
right
you've
side.
gotten?
1 alt. Well, in terms of alts, yeah.
So you should use it.
All right, we got Chihuahua, Mountain God, Fugfree,
You know what else I can get? A
Koza,
manga.
Crocus.
If I get a manga, then
6-8. Wow.
4 hitbox.
Yo, we got another leader, so nothing's here. We got Spandine. Actually, I need Spandine and T-Bone. This is the black. This is the black pack. Yes, these both go into Sokka, or at least I think this is good with Rebecca into. Yes, thank you.
Plate for my cards?
We got a plate for our pastry.
Oh wow, she didn't fucking give me
See, this is officially Jinbei's
fucking pack is dead.
Jolly Roger. We out here. We out here on the One Piece Café.
This doesn't fucking count.
One Piece Cafe. We're moving forward with the left side. We're gonna eat this pastry.
Hold on, let me group my shit. I'll get to my rares and everything.
Alright. We're just gonna move through it. I think we've seen. That's the thing about this set is that there's so little. I think we got an alt, and I think it's a Wednesday. Bam! We did get the Miss Wednesday for the Mr. Gavito. Shout out. We got 2 alts. That might be it. But I should get a Bon Clay, right? I hope I get a Bon Clay. I really hope I get a Bon Clay.
Because I was getting him the Sanji. Maybe the
They're
shirt.
like, they're $50.
How much is shirt?
Alright, we're just moving forward. We're almost done.
Sure, hold your place in what?
We got Jazz Bones. That's what the normal one is.
In what?
Oh, just for category.
Yeah, figure percent.
Do you think it plays in category?
Just gonna go through. Looks like we got an SR. Gum Gum Champion Rifle. Oh yeah, this is the Impel Down one. I like that. And then we got Cavendish.
What's 60?
Odin's 52. Sick.
Market price is $50.
Bueno. There's no way you could defeat me. That's such a sad scene. There's no way. And we got our first Flampe, I think. Haven't legitimately been paying attention, but yeah.
What or purple?
Purple.
That's a purple sticker. That'd be purple.
We got a Sanji.
Yeah, it gets to match.
And we got. Oh, he did! We got the Altar Chopper. Let's go! Hey, that's not the manga, but we got the alt, guys. Let's
Oh
go!
shit, nice.
Chopper for
That's
chopper? No!
fire.
Get out of here! Look at that.
You don't want a box, right?
No, you got the manga? I'll trade you the manga for it.
I'll trade you on my offer.
Hey, that's all 3 of my hits though. So if we get a
Oh,
chopper,
manga.
we can. There's still manga chopper's apparently a second hit. Oh, you got Kid and Killer as well?
Yeah.
Oh dang! Dang! Maybe.
I
Maybe.
need to complete it.
Okay, so
I only need
We
that
got
one.
Off-Whites
Viola 7.
and
Hold on, let
Spandine.
me
Give me the
just make,
Spandines, dude.
Fucking 1.
I'll throw it if you're I literally just need 2 alternates.
Which ones?
It's Viola and that one.
Viola and this one. Okay. We're gonna end this thing and then we're gonna talk trades.
We'll talk deals.
Champion rifle and we got an SR. Ooh, there's Viola. Let's go. Viola's a good card.
Red. I wanna
Look at
hold
all of your
on
opponent's
to
life and
my
place them back in
red
there.
stuff,
Turn all your life
purple
face down.
stuff.
Oh, we have two packs left.
I need it for fucking.
We didn't get the manga chopper.
for Luffy.
We didn't get manga chopper yet, but we did get the altar chopper. Let's see if the manga chopper, the altar chopper. If the altar chopper is a sign for manga chopper, that'd be
Fuck,
soup.
those long flavors are gonna-
But it looks like we got him leader, so there's nothing here. We got Kid and Killer, let's go, and a Ganfall.
Huh?
Last pack, last pack,
Oh,
last pack,
flambe,
Badger.
yeah.
If you hit this alone, it's like half the
Oh, we got another leader. So it looks like that's it.
I don't count
Another
any
flambe. Let's go. That's it. We
let
are
it up.
chilling. These are our rares. These are our hits. Kozuki Odin. Leader, Kozuki Odin. Alt Art Miss Wednesday. And Tony Tony Chopper. Tony Tony Chopper with the Tony Tony dessert.
There's a Swedish fish in there. Yes, you gotta mix it? Oh, cool.